My name is Mech. I'm one of the engineers at the Internet Archive. The Internet Archive is a non-profit library which runs a handful of services. One of them is the website archive.org, which is a top 250 website. They also run the Open Library, which is an online digital public library with millions of books that you can read directly in your browser. Then finally, their best known project is the Wayback Machine. The Wayback Machine is a service which has been running since the year 1996, and it routinely kicks off saves of the World Wide Web over time. So for instance, if I search google.com in the Wayback Machine, it will reply with over 500,000 times the Google web page has been saved since the year 1998. If we use this calendar to click on Google in November of 1998, we can ask the Wayback Machine to retrieve how the web page looked like over 20 years ago. One thing that the Wayback Machine doesn't currently support is a way to link or cite specific parts of the web page. However, I've created an experimental service that will let us do just that. Imagine we're on Google and we do a search for Wikipedia Wayback Machine. On the Wikipedia page, we find a specific section which is of interest to us. And we want to not only save this page in the Wayback Machine, but also link one of our friends directly to this section. By right-clicking on the web page in our web browser and selecting this Inspect option, a new box is pulled up which shows us the underlying HTML of this web page. And within this HTML, we can see that the region of the website that we currently have selected has an identifier called censorship and other threats, which we can use to reference it. In a new tab, we are going to go to another service called pragma.archivelab.org. When we go here, it prompts us for two things: the CSS identifier, which we just retrieved from the website, citing the very specific portion of the page, and then the URL of the web page that we want to save. Once I enter in these two pieces of information and press Submit, Pragma is first going to kick off a Save Page Now for this Wikipedia page, and then when it does so, it's going to be able to cite the exact region within that web page and bring us right to that region and highlight it. It might take just a moment. There you have it. When the web page loaded, in Save Page Now, it brought me directly to the portion of the page that we had cited. I hope you will try the Pragma service and give us feedback. Thanks.